Ever tried a tropical cheesecake? Didn't think so. That's because you've never tried Fizah's Bangin mango cheesecake until now. First, let's make the biscuit base, and of course I'm using the classic Digestive biscuits.
You want about 4 biscuits per serving. I'm using a blender to break these up into crumbs, but you can use any method that suits you.
Now I'm going to add some melted butter to get this to a consistency of wet sand.
Pour in the melted butter in stages so you don't get it too wet.
I've been adding the butter in little by little, and it looks like this is the right consistency.
The mix should hold its shape when pushed to the side of the container.
My biscuit base is ready, so I'm going to put it into a glass now. These are going to be individual servings of cheesecake. I'm using the base of this bottle that I've just cleaned to pack the mixture in.
I like cheesecakes with a thick base, so I filled the glass a quarter of the way up.
Now I'm going to set this in the freezer whilst I get on with the mango cream cheese filling. For the mango cream cheese filling, you need the juiciest, sweetest mangoes you can find.
I'm using the flesh of 1 mango per glass serving.
Using a spoon, I'm just going to scoop the flesh out into the blender. So juicy. Now I'm going to blend this until it becomes pureed. And there's no tidy way to eat this. Oh.
Add 70 grams of cream cheese per serving to the pureed mango.
For a banging cheesecake, I'm going to use mascarpone cheese instead of cream.
You want 70 grams of mascarpone for each serving.
Okay, that looks good enough. A cheesecake is a beautiful balance of tanginess, sweetness and creaminess. So I'm going to add in a little bit of lime juice just to give it that tang. And if you've noticed, I've not added any sugar to this because it's already sweet from the mangoes. It's got some air bubbles in there.
Now set this in the fridge overnight or a good few hours if you can't wait.
The mango cheesecake has set in the fridge overnight, so now it's ready for its mango rose topping.
For the mango rose, peel and slice a wide piece of mango. Then create thin slices from that piece and separate like this. Using 2 small slices first, create the bud of the rose. Then layer the larger slices around the bud center, slightly overlapping the ends just like the petals of a rose.
And to finish this beautiful rose off, I'm going to sprinkle over some icing sugar.
And that's my tropical mango cheesecake.